Welcome to Auto Turbo Heels. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated rebirths in American muscle car history, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Yes, the Boss is back, and it's louder, meaner, and smarter than ever before. Buckle up, because what Ford has done with this machine will shake the muscle car world to its core. The Mustang has always been the symbol of pure American performance, power, passion, and presence. But when you attach the legendary Boss 302 inches badge to it, you're talking about something that goes beyond just another Mustang. It's a tribute to the golden era of racing and a statement that Ford is not done dominating the streets and the tracks. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is here to prove that the muscle car spirit is alive, but it's also evolved into something futuristic and ferocious. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Under the hood sits a 5.4-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, fine-tuned by Ford Performance to deliver a mind-blowing 540 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just brute power, this is precision-engineered performance. The Boss 302 features a dual-injection system combining port and direct fuel injection for razor-sharp throttle response, and a variable exhaust system that can transform the sound from street-legal calm to track-ready roar at the touch of a button. Ford didn't stop there. They've paired that monstrous engine with a new 6-speed Tremec manual transmission that gives drivers the pure, raw engagement that Mustang purists crave. But for those who want modern convenience, there's also a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters, refined for lightning-fast gear changes and maximum power delivery. Either way, the Boss 302 is built to thrill. The chassis has been reworked for 2026 with a focus on balance and control. Ford has introduced a new adaptive Magneride suspension tuned specifically for the Boss 302. It reads the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting the damping in real time to give the perfect blend of comfort and performance. Combine that with a lighter aluminum body and reinforced structural stiffness, and you get a Mustang that hugs corners like never before. Visually, the 2026 Boss 302 is pure aggression. The design team took inspiration from the original 1969 Boss, blending its classic cues with a futuristic twist. The front fascia sports a larger open grille for better airflow, a functional hood scoop, and aerodynamic splitters that not only look intimidating but improve downforce. At the rear, a race-inspired diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a ducktail spoiler complete the beastly silhouette. And those signature stripes, bold and iconic, remind everyone this isn't just another Mustang. It's a Boss. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that's built for both speed and sophistication. The driver-focused interior features Recaro Sport seats with contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara, and a fully digital 13.2-inch instrument cluster that can display performance metrics like G-forces, lap times, and shift indicators. Ford's latest Sync 5 infotainment system sits at the center, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates to keep the software as fresh as the car's performance. Safety and technology haven't been ignored either. The 2026 Boss 302 includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a new track vision camera system that records your lap times and driving footage directly onto the infotainment screen or your smartphone. On the performance front, Ford claims the 2026 Boss 302 can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, with a top speed of over 185 miles per hour. The braking system has been upgraded to massive Brembo rotors with 6-piston calipers in the front and 4-piston in the rear, ensuring it stops as ferociously as it accelerates. But what truly sets this Mustang apart is the way it feels. Every rev, every shift, every corner, the Boss 302 brings back that raw, analog sensation that many modern sports cars have lost. It's not just about numbers, it's about emotion, control, and the connection between man and machine. Ford's engineers have managed to combine the nostalgia of classic muscle with the precision of modern engineering. Whether you're cruising through city streets or attacking the track, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 reminds you why the Mustang name is legendary. It's a car built for enthusiasts who want more than just speed, they want soul. So if you thought the era of real muscle cars was over, think again. The Boss is back, and it's ready to reclaim the throne. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 302 isn't just a car, it's a rebellion on wheels. Get ready to feel the power, hear the roar, and experience the legend reimagined. Because when the Boss hits the road again, the competition will have only one option: to get out of the way. Stay tuned to Auto Turbo Heels for more epic automotive legends reborn.